Good morning friends. In previous lecture we have completed our first chapter, that is the geometrical construction. Today we are going to study our next one chapter, that is the multiplication and the division of the integer. Before of that you should know about the integer. What are the integer? Integer means it is a collection of the numbers. Here are in that positive numbers, whole number and the negative numbers are there. Means -1, -2, -3, like that. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that numbers are included in the integer. Integer is the numbers which included whole number, positive and negative numbers, that are called the integer. Means -1, 2, -1, comma 0, comma 1, 2, like that. All are the what? Integer, and that we are calling the integer. In previous year we have studied the addition and the subtraction of the integers. So just revision of that. So we have taken the two examples from that. So -4 plus 3, -4 plus 3. So here is what sign? Here is a minus sign, here is the plus sign. When the two signs are different, then we have to do subtraction. What we have to do? Subtraction. So 4 minus 3 remain 1, and apply the greater number sign. Which is the greater number? 4. What is the sign for that? 4 minus. So minus 1 is there. Here the same signs, -7 and -7 and -2. Two same signs are there at that times. You have to add. So -7 means 7 plus 2, 9, and greater number sign, which is -7, means 7 is the greater number and 7 has a minus sign. So give here minus. So your answer will be -9. Same way, here is a given. You have to find out answer 3 from these integers. So here is a -6. What is here? -6. So what will we do? We have to do so that we will get the answers, these 3. So if you will see the 6 plus 3, 9. So you can write here 9. And if you subtract from this 9, this 6, you will get the 3. 9 minus 6, 3. Greater number sign, addition. Understood? So we want again positive 3 from this integer. What we have to do? So that we will get the 3 answer. So here should be a greater number, because this 3 has a positive number sign, and positive sign should have the greater number should have the positive sign. So our answer will get the positive sign. So here is the 5 minus what? 5 minus what? That we will get the 3 sign. If we will take, here is the -8. What we will take? -8. If you observe that -5, this minus and this minus, it becomes the +8. So 8 minus 5 remains 3, and greater number sign, that is the 3. So here is the 3 answer. So what will be here next? -8 plus what? So we will get the 3. So here is -3. If 11 minus 8 remains 3. 11 minus 8 remain 3, and greater number sign, that is the positive. 11 has a positive sign. So here is the positive sign. Understood? Now here is a 9. 9 minus what? So we will get the 3. So 9 minus 6, that we will get the 3. Greater number sign, 9, that is has a positive. So it will get positive. 7 plus what? So we will get the 3. So if you will subtract from this 7, this 3, also you will get the 4. So here should be a 4. 4, but it should be a minus, because we want the 3. So -4. So what? 7 minus 4 is equal to 3, greater number sign. Understood? So here is 4 minus what? So here should be a 3. So if you will subtract 4 minus 1, what is remain? 3, and 4 is a greater number, it has a positive sign. So here is 3 has a positive sign. This is the addition and the subtraction of the integer. So we are going to study about the multiplication of the integer. And when we are telling the minus 10, minus 3, suppose you haven't paid, so you haven't paid, also you have not money to purchase that. So what will you do? You ask to your friends, please give me some rupees so I can buy a pen. If you want to buy a 10 rupees pen, so if you will take from your two friends 5 rupees, your A friends, you have taken the suppose you have taken that from that A friend 5 rupees, from B friend 5 rupees, you will get the 10 rupees. But you have that 10 rupees you have borrowed from them. So you next time you have to return that. So you have minus 10 rupees. But you have 10 rupees, but that is the minus 10 rupees. If you are spending that money, but you have to return that, that is denoted by the minus 10. That is the debit minus 10. That we have to see in that. In multiplication of the table, suppose you have to make the table of the minus 4, suppose minus 4. Multiplication 1, 2, 3. So what will be here multiplication? 4 ones are 4. Greater number sign, that is the 4. 4 3s are 4 2s are 8. Minus 8. Minus 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Sign minus. Means if this integer, this multiplier is increasing, multipliers are the increasing, the product is the decreasing. Products are the decreasing. How it is decreasing? If you will go above of that, from that 0 along from the number line, you know that if you go away from the number line 1 2 3, as you go that left side from that number line, numbers becomes the smaller. Same way this 4 minus 8 minus 12 are the smaller number. Same way you have to make the table of the 5 number table. You have to make the table of 6 number and also 7 number. Suppose here is you are multiplying 1, so what will be here? 5 ones are 5, but it is the minus. If you are multiplying minus 5 into minus 2, so what will? Minus 10. If you are multiplying minus 5 into 3, what will? 5 3s are 15, minus 15. If you are multiplying 5 minus 0, means if you are multiplying with any number by with that 0, your answer will be a 0. Understood? If minus 5 into minus 1, if you are going to take that negative integer with that negative integer, so your answer will 5 ones are 5. If you are taking 5 into minus 2, so both are minus sign, the answer will be a positive. So 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. If you are taking 5 into minus 3, 5 3s are 15. Means if the multiplier are decreasing, means just I told on number line, if you go away from the 0, numbers are becoming smaller. Means these are the multiplier are decreasing, your products are increasing. This is the table of the minus 5. Such way you have to find out table of minus 6 and the tables of minus 7. So you have to solve the practice set 8. Understood? Before that, we should know about the sign. If you will multiply positive number with the positive number, answer will be a positive. If you are multiplying positive number with the negative number, your answer will get the negative sign. If you are multiplying negative number with the positive number, then your answer will get the negative sign. If you are multiplying negative number with the negative sign number, your answer will get the positive sign. Same way as a subtraction, you will say it is a slightly different from that the subtraction sign. So keep in mind, both numbers have a same sign, answer will be a positive. both number have a same sign, answer will be a positive. If both number have a different sign, answer here will be a negative sign. Got it? So from that you have to solve the practice set 8. There is 2 example I have to take to solve that. So 9 into negative 4. 9 4s are 36. But what if positive number and negative number, answer will get minus sign. So here is negative 36. So here is 63 into minus 63 into 7. So what will be your number? 7 3s are 21 carried over 2 and 7 6 are 42. 42 and 2 44. So 44. Both are the negative. If both are the negative, answer will get the positive sign. Understood? Same way you have to solve the practice set 8. Remaining example you have to solve. Get it?